Yes. Galatians 2 verse 7. When Mary arrived there, she noticed that the stone had been rolled away. Key point. Who will roll the stone of barrenness away? Who will roll the stone of limitation away? Who will roll the stone of backwardness away? Who will roll the stone of downfall away? Who will roll the stone of aturatu na amuhiamu away? Who will roll the stone of njafia away?
Onye Amuma.
Neighbor, good morning.
Onye Amuma, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are blessed.
Onye Amuma, are you the only one at home?
Yes, I'm the only one at home. I'm preparing for a power-packed crusade I have in Obunike today. The land of Obunike must shake.
Wow.
Yes, that the crusade may hold.
Wow.
Yes.
I see. Onye Amuma.
Yes.
Please, can you help me get something from my wardrobe? You don't want?
From your wardrobe?
Yes.
Don't worry, any other person now around. I can't do that at the moment. Maybe later, okay? Maybe in the evening, okay? You remind me.
Onye Amuma, please, no.
I'm currently busy at the moment. Onye
Amuma, please. Amuma.
The children of Israel. Never, please call someone else or don't distract me.
No.
I'm very busy now.
You mean you don't want to help me?
Yeah, baby, what is all this? Oh, it can happen in the evening. You can throw me boge or can any wardrobe from Cody. Ogonoga ni to is na aka ge to rurie o ka isi eme. No. Oh, I'm a man of God. Don't do this. What am I going to tell the world? Remove your river from my mouth. Hello. I can't make it to the crusade anymore. Atabamnike. Someone chopped me raw. This is the worst experience any man will ever have in this life. Offer my neighbor that I should come and help her. Immediately she dragged me into her room. You don't mean it. She forcefully went to table on the same me. No. Oh, wickedness. It is not. It is not. We became a new will. Hi. When you're a man of the camp, I'm on the one with the experience. You hot up, you make go enter in a police. Yes, the police is in Bob and on around the phone. Obaluli Woke. Give me arrest. On around the cater. Oblige me arrest. The person Aquabico. You know, the thing that woman Patoy in Aquabico, no. You spin poker, man. It's the person Aqua. You be only on Atali. How am I going to face the world now? Officer, her room. The room? Yes. Come on down. You want the justice? Come on down. Knock again now, no.
Who is there?
Hey, madam. No, miss. Hey, na means as a Mr. A, sorry, Miss Ella.
Of course, I'm Ella.
Correct. What she don't under arrest.
Under arrest for what?
Yes, because anything what she do, they say she dey under against me for the court of law.
Officer, where is your search warrant?
And the purpose search warrant, as now be search your room. You charge me raw. You will meet me in court. Zago, madam, Zago.
Please, excuse me.
Zago, man, I have to tell Nikki. Zago, man, I have to tell Nikki, madam. Madam, Mutapi, can make it. Hey, put up here at 10 years. Come on, here, Bataria. Nonsense. If I need to win now, the comedy he gave me. Madam was saying that I'm only going to kuku. Zago wuru. Kita ni ina se kunwoku. Zago.
Hey, Zago.
Don't touch me, please. I'm moving.
Never let take risk. Open na ngona riri anaka open water boom that day. Can you face the world? Oma na me no sugar. Oma na me no BP. Oma na me high BP. Oh, when tell me hot time that day we release here like 2 times. I be on fasting. Hey, me megi. Naga emeneri ebere. Jail.